Laser teaching, how to quickly get started with laser welding in 1 minute. Press the trigger button halfway to pre-release the light. Confirm the position and press all the way to start. The welding torch is 5 to 8 mm away from the workpiece, maintaining an inclination angle of 20. Adds a 0.5 second delay at the end. Spot welding display. The welding torch is aligned with the side of the pipe, and the switch is pressed to rotate at a constant speed. Hands-on demonstrations by customers. Welding demonstration of aluminum alloys.